Well, we're draining into the main wash now from the pre-wash, so we're onto the main wash more or less now. It's just pumping out the water from the pre-wash. Now we're onto the main wash in a few minutes. Remember to like and subscribe and comment down below as well what cycles you would love to see in future. It would really help me for my channels and what my viewers would like to see as well. I don't think it spins here, I think it just rotates. But we'll soon find out. Okay, we're on the main wash now. It's going to fill up through the drawer. I put a bit of powder in, but I don't think we need a lot of powder. Just see what it does here. You see the powder going in there. Only a bit. It's a nice shot of the drum today since I've cleaned the window and I've got my camera on. Okay, right, the sensor's sensed half load, I think. I think this was supposed to take 2 hours.